Can't find a plumber you trust? Worried the electrician won't have time for the next job? With Fixflo's Contractor Marketplace, you gain peace of mind knowing that only trusted and skilled contractors respond to your maintenance requests. Every job is handled promptly by a vetted and insured tradesperson with transparent prices and strict SLAs. Worried about out-of-hours emergencies? Need to reduce your costs on reactive maintenance? Our video maintenance solution lets your occupiers resolve issues almost instantly, helping you to prevent up to half of unnecessary call-outs and reducing maintenance costs. When you choose Contractor Marketplace, the contractors who come to your properties are fully trained on our platform and follow your workflow processes. They always upload a report onto Fixflo after completing a job. You gain consistent and complete audit trails, and you can spend valuable time doing something other than chasing contractors for updates. With detailed repair reports, including a triage system, you can reduce your maintenance costs, benefit from more first-time fixes, and ensure that only genuine requests result in a call-out. Fixflo's Contractor Marketplace can save you up to 40 minutes on every planned maintenance job, boost compliance levels across your business, and enhance your customer experience. Want to get your evenings and weekends back? Ensure compliance across your entire portfolio? Have access to thousands of vetted, skilled, and trusted contractors? Contractor Marketplace is the solution. Sign up is easy, and our team will be on hand to help you source the best contractor for the job.